This is how to change your Twitter username. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. Once it is open, then here in the search bar, search for twitter.com. After opening it, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from here, scroll down and tap on settings and sport, and then tap on settings and privacy. Then you will see this page. Now here tap on your account, and after that tap on account information. Here you need to re-enter your password to confirm it. So after entering your password, tap on confirm. After that you will see here username option, just tap on it. So from here you will be able to change your username. Cut your previous name and type the new one that you want to use. Once you have selected your name, then tap on save option at the bottom. And after that your username will be changed. So this was how to change your Twitter username.